This is Odin's Wolf Survival in the subterranean caverns of Wolfhaven. And on the shield today, we have a pair of flashlights. I'm not even going to try to say the name of the company. And yes, they come from China. I'll have it in the link below where I got it. They're running at 25 something. Amazon Prime Day, you can catch them cheaper. They were clear with glow and black. Drop resistant, waterproof, UV light, magnetic, red-blue flash. They came with I think a pair of charging cables. One for each light. It's a USB-C charger connection. It's water resistant. There's the connector right there. This one's a bit modified. They come in with these chains on them, and I'm not a great big fan of these little flimsy, twisty chains, so I took it off and put some 95 cord on. I kept the hook because it's handy to hook in through a zipper pull or wherever you want on your gear. Comes in with a clip that you can clip on a hat band, whatever. They say it's 900 lumens. There's the magnet. It holds pretty good, which would be handy in a tent working on your car, provided it's not a plastic car. Things along that line. It is a bright little beggar, but at the 900 lumens, I'm not for sure. It depends on which lumen count you go by. But there it is. That's momentary on. You can hold the button and it'll stay on. 2 clicks. Sometimes it's picky. And that's high, medium, low, and basically what they call moonlight. It's bright enough for most things. I think at this setting it'll run 72 hours. There's a 500 milliamp battery in here, and it takes 90 minutes to charge. And then to turn it off, just hold it. The other side's the same way. You got a momentary on. You can hold it on. That's your area light. That's on. UV light. Red flasher, red-blue flasher, which is really kind of obnoxious, and you're bright again. And then off to turn it off to hold it. Okay, let's see. You can just have the glow feature to it. There you go. You should be able to see that, even though it is a little bit light in the subterranean caverns, which is kind of handy at night. They say it's a 100-meter distance for the beam cast. Again, maybe. This sort of thing generally works pretty well up close. I do like it. I've been carrying it quite a lot. We'll see what it has to say in the book. Sometimes it can be a bit picky to turn on with the 2 clicks, because you got to get your timing right on it. Okay, 900 lumens. Let's get the English part of this, which is getting rarer and rarer. Okay, it's a double source flashlight, as you can see. The LED is an XPG2, brightness 900 lumens, color temperature 6,500 Kelvin, beam distance 100 meters, again, maybe yes, maybe no. Battery capacity 500 milliamp polymer lithium battery, input voltage 5 volts. Charging time, 2.5 hours. Another source says 90 minutes. Charging indication, red flashing light. It'll turn to green when you charge it. Material is 304 stainless steel and polymer. Waterproof rating is IP65. Charging port is Type-C, as stated. Product weight is 33 grams. This thing really doesn't weigh anything. And for the weight to the light and runtime ratio, it's pretty handy. Product size is 15 by 31 by 58 millimeters. As you can see in my hand, it's small. They suggest running on a keychain. I'm the big fan of something. This is small, but it's still bigger than I want on my keychain. So I usually will hook it to something or cart it around, and it still ends up going with me. Runtime on what they call turbo, which is the high end, is 75 minutes. High is 127. Medium is 160 minutes. This print is small. Low is 390 minutes. Economic is 76 hours. Brightness 900 lumens. The high is 650 lumens. Medium 450. 180 for low. And the economic is 5 lumens. Operation ways: long press, turn on. Loose hold, turn off. Double click, turn on. Single click will work the modes. Long press, turn off. Side light is pretty much the same thing. The white is 570 minute runtime. UV is 130. Red is 210. Red flash is 690 minutes. Red blue flash is 5 hours. And that is really obnoxious in the dark. Again, same turn on, turn offs. And like I said, these are $25 for the pair, which isn't bad at all. It's cheaper than some lunches. You got 2 flashlights that you can stash, carry in your pack, your EDC, whatever. They're bright, they work well, they seem to be waterproof. I've had this out in the rain, didn't kill it, dropped it, stepped on it, kicked it, anything you could pretty well think of, and it's still intact. I haven't run it over with a vehicle. That might be down the road accidentally. And again, that depends on the surface as to what it would do to it. It is really pretty bright in the dark, so let's see if we can get it. Like I said, it can get picky. There, my timing is funky. Now the subterranean cavern isn't completely dark, but you can see that's supposed to be the high end. That's off. There we go. This is actually pretty handy because you can stick it on something or clip it. That right there just makes my head hurt. But there it is. And then there's the glow again, you can see. And that glow lasts for quite a little while. Okay, this is Odin's Wolf Survival in the subterranean caverns of Wolf Haven. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Helps me out with YouTube. And have a glorious day.